What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Obviously got a couple Kizers, as you can tell, in front of me. Why is that not coming out of the box? Oh, because it's stuck on that. Okay, so we got it out. Good. Mission accomplished. Alright, let's see what we got here today. Here we go. So we've got the Militaw and the Mini Militaw, and yes, they're both the budget versions of these. Obviously, the designer is going to be Jonathan Stiles. Let's check out the Militaw first. I did get my hands, obviously, on a Mini Militaw, and pretty nice. I was actually really impressed with it. So this is more like the budget friendly. I had the Jungle Green, was it Jungle Fever or Jungle Green? Maybe it was just Jungle Green. But I got that version of it, and it was pretty nice. So these are both budget-friendly ones. Check out what we got, though. This one right here is... Hold on. Yeah, this stuff was cool with the first box. The very first one I got. Now this the second one, I'm kind of like, it can go now. Good Lord, drives me crazy. Get it out, get it out. Alright, so we got the 154 cm blade with the black G10 and the PP. And then we got steel liners. Alright. Now, I will say, I actually did like the full-size version better. I thought I would like the smaller version, or at least like it better, but I didn't. I actually really like this version a lot better. Oh, and this is the liner lock and not the frame lock. I just feel like it's smoother. Like this right here is smoother. I'll get that one out here in a second, and we'll see. We'll kind of do like a little comparison real quick. But yeah, the full-size version is it just hits different. Very smooth. Like it's like got that buttery feel that you like. Yeah, seriously, I don't know why. And this one's the liner lock. The other one was a frame lock. Yeah, the frame lock I got to deal with. That was months and months ago. I don't even know if that video's out yet. I've had it, well, probably not months and months, obviously, just a couple months. Because I'm backlogged on all these videos. I wasn't posting them every day because life gets busy, you know what I mean? But now I'm trying to get caught up on getting all these videos out. And it was just the rare chance I got to get my hands on one. So that's what it was, kind of. Just going to check this one out. But that was the frame lock version, and it worked the same. It was fantastic, just like that. So we'll get both of these out and kind of just do a comparison while we're here. Oh, Lord. They do come with extra hardware, which is always nice. Yeah, this was nice the first time around. This time around, like, it's kind of a nightmare, that stuff is. It's alright, they're trying to get into the holiday spirits, right? Oh, well, this version is the Nitro V Blade, Red G10, and Party Streamers G10. And, oh, so it's the Red G10 and the Party Streamers G10, and with obviously steel liners. Hold on, I feel like that smacks different too. It just... Maybe I need to tighten my pivot up a little bit because it kind of moves. There's a little bit of sound right there lately. All I could think is maybe it just needs to tighten up a little bit. Let's actually check that out. So, because this right here is, once it kind of goes, maybe that's because it's a liner lock, not a frame lock. Maybe that has something to do with it. I do not know. But let's try to figure that out. But yeah, it just smacks different. Like, I don't know why. I just don't. See if we can fix it. I love these Militaws. Like, they're very, very nice. The magnetic crap on this is driving me crazy. Let's see. says it feels tight. Okay, that was what it was. Okay, so I'm not crazy. Ha, gotcha. Not crazy. Take that. So it was just a little loose. That's why it was a little bit of rattle in it. So I haven't done the final review on that one yet either, but I was like, I don't like it. I don't like it, but it's all right now. I will. Oh wow, even the front flipper now. It just needs to tighten up a little bit. I don't. Hey, I finally got it. So it just probably broke in a little bit. I was having problems with that a lot. If they're not quite broken, this has been passed around to a couple people, so it's probably been flicked quite a bit. I've noticed that I had problems, like I couldn't do that. And that jimping is pretty aggressive. And then when you slip, it definitely takes it out on your finger. But it actually is working better now. So the blade was just loose or something, so it was a little goofied up. But yeah. The problem with the mini Militaw is it's hard to get your finger right in there. Not a lot of real estate, not a lot of space, I guess, to get your finger in there, so it does cause a little bit of problems. So this is the difference between the two. Obviously, you have a frame lock and liner lock. Weight reduction is not on... Yeah, okay, so it's got weight reduction or skeletonized on both of these, so they're not bad. Just the price point is a lot different, but I really like the budget, though, too. I'm not real big into the party streamers. Not really my thing. But if you really like the Militaw and you want to get a mini Militaw, I'm telling you, it's not a bad choice. If you thought the big one was the regular size was just a little too big, which it is, obviously quite large. It is a little bit big. The mini would be perfect for you. Just get it broke in and then don't, because I was upset about this kind of at first a little bit. Like I thought it was maybe just me. I thought, okay, maybe it just needs a little bit of time. And I kept trying to break it in, kept trying to break it in. I was like, man, this thing's starting to feel like it sucks now. That obviously I gave it good first impressions because like, oh, it's probably just things that need worked out. Well, it kind of didn't work out so quickly, and I was just kind of upset with it a little bit. I was like, I'm going to sell it. I'm done with this crap. But then it started breaking a little bit better, and then obviously when I just tightened that, it made everything just a little bit better. So I'll keep that around. I'll keep that around. No, I'm just joking, but it does actually feel a lot better opening up. We'll take that out of the way now. We don't need that anymore. But like I said, I did say this. I think the full size is better overall, though. Like if you don't mind the size of either one of these, and you want one, go with the full size. I really like the full size. It does smack a little different. Feels better in hand. Definitely got some real estate to grab onto. Really like it either way. Like I said, they're both very nice knives. And they're budget friendly. These are under, I think, $70. Both of them. Not together, obviously. Separate. But, come on now. You can't beat that. Like I said, you got red G10. You got red or G10 party streamers. Like I said, not really my thing. But they have so many freaking variations out now. Like, they've got to have one that you like. So check them out. Like, they even have like a black G10 with a clear, some kind of clear coat over like for the inlay. I can't remember what it is, but they have that, and it looks pretty nice though. And then they have fancier ones too, like that one I have. That one was like was it 160, 170? I'm not quite sure. It's 160, 170, right around there. So they have more expensive. They have the 80s camo, not carbon. Yeah, it is carbon fiber. The 80s carbon fiber, 80s camo carbon fiber. But yeah, they got variations. They got new variations of these coming out. They all got variations of the Militaw fixed blade now. They got 3 or 4 of those out. So they're definitely hitting it all up with the Militaws right now. But this thing, it really is nice. You got 154 cm, great steel, great budget steel. If it's under $70, that's really a steal. That steel is a steal. So stupid. But yeah, it really is a steal though. You got P Ultim. Not too shabby though. It's really grown on me, the Ultim has. I really kind of like it. I've got a couple knives that I really like by using the Ultim. Pocket clip is pretty decent. It is a Kizer, normal Kizer pocket clip pretty much, so it's not too shabby. Obviously it sticks out, so it's kind of normal. Not recessed though, and it's not reversible. Same on both, not reversible. Screws are recessed, but the pocket clips are not. But some dope knives. I'll get all the information out for you in the final review. Like I'm telling you, like if you're really kind of, if you don't know which one you want, and it's your first one, go with the regular size, the OG right here. Not this one variation. You can do whatever variation obviously you want. But I'm going to say go for the bigger because it just smacks different. Front flippers, like the front flipper works fine on this one. The thumb hole works just fine. But it just hits different level. Like next level both ways on the regular. Like I said, both are fantastic. But the full size, man, I'm telling you, you're going to want it. You won't be disappointed. Couple dope knives. I really like these. I love getting my hands on the Militaws for some reason. Like I want to get my hands on like other variations of them just to check out the scales and stuff like that. But and I want to get my own full size here soon. I just don't know which one I want to what I'm gonna get yet. I don't know if I want to go premium or budget. Haven't figured that out yet. I'm looking at it though. But yeah, that's all I got though. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section. If you guys like the videos, leave a thumbs up though. Thanks.